chastisement, also glorification. Two ways glorification coming. One is your soft words you can to glorify, or another way you also chastisement, also glorification coming. Rasas, those who have knowledge of the rasa, they understand. Here this thing, this way. Then again, when the roaster stops, then Vrindadevi thinking, then what will do now? Then also give hints to the others. What is called? Monkey, cockatoo, coming. They cockatoo also chastise. It's saying also there. Hey, Raman Manjari, this is your duty. Every Manjari, their duty is also there. What is your duty? What is your serve? You have to alert. So saying this way. Hey, Raman Manjari, this is your duty. This cockatoo, old cockatoo, she is making the disturbance to the Samini's sleepiness. They're making sound. The cockatoo making a cackle. So saying this. Then she, that Raman Manjari, she took one stick and chastised to the cockatoo. Also the glorification. What is chastisement means also glorification. Then another, then Bindadevi thinking, what to do now? Still Radha Krishna, they are sleeping. And eastern side completely illuminated. Then Vrindadevi, she finally gave the hints, the Suksan, Suk and Sai. What is it? Suksari. Then Suksari, they also glorification to them. Here is glorification coming. That is glorification. All their chastisement now, they are glorification. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, দেখিয়া অরুণোদয় বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করা ইল সুখ সারি পদ্ম শুনি উঠে রাধা নীলমণি সখীগণ দেখি ব্যস্ত হইয়া. When Suk and Sari, understand? Suk Sari, that the part, they very sweet words, the glorifications. About Srimati Radhika and Krishna. And that time it used these words, hey Radhe, hey Krishna, you are sleeping. Look, eastern side, illuminated, almost sun, rays coming. The rays of sun, Sanskrit word, that is called Jyotir. The Sanskrit word is Jyotir. That time Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Jyotila is coming. Jyotil to Jyotila. Jyotil means the first rays of sun, that is called Jyotil. But Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Jyotila is coming. Yesterday I told, Jagannath Das Babaji performed bhajan sadhan Surya Kunda. Then his servant Bihari Lal told, the government has come to meet with you. But Babaji Maharaj is saying, Govardhan to go say, oh, Govardhan has come. Because he is absorbed in this way, Govardhan. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she absorbed Jyotila. Maybe they are saying Jotil, or saying Jyotila. Then Srimati Radhika, she afraid and wake up. Then all the Manjari, those who are outside, they enter, first they enter in the Kunja, and first they dresses Srimati Radhika and Krishna, cloth dresses. Then Lalita Visakha Prana Sakis, they enter and they also arrange for Radha Krishna's Arati. So this is saying the जय जय राधा कृष्ण जुगल मिलन आरती करें ललित आदि सखीगण. यार দেখে না অরুণোদয় বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করাইল সুখসারী পদ্ম শুনি উঠে রাধা নীলমণি সখীগণ দেখি ব্যস্ত হই. নিজ নিজ গৃহে গেলা. কৃষ্ণ হি ইজ গোয়িং টু নন্দগাঁও আর শ্রীমতী রাধিকা she is going to Javat. Then Srimati Radhika, she is so much tired, she cannot open her eyes. So much tiredness coming. Last night not completely mature. For this guy, Srimati Radhika eyes already and closed, very difficult to open. And like eyes also red and closed, tiredness coming. Then Srimati Radhika just see, hold his hand on the shoulder of one Manjari. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari is going on this way. She cannot walk alone. For this girl, Srimati Radhika, she hold the shoulder of one Manjari. They going in this way. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika's Anchal, Anchal is last part of the cloth, sari, stuck in the throne. And then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, maybe Krishna, he is pulling my sari. Balo, balo, yopi. Srimati Radhika, she is saying, hey Krishna, you are completely foolish, balak, chanchal. You are nirbodh. Balak means you are like child. You are innocent. Why you are pulling my sari? Look, in eastern side illuminated, and sunrise almost coming out. The Brajavasi will be, the Brajavasi are they coming out from their house. If you pulled out my cloth, then they will be seeing, then they will joke with you. And joke me. And big blasphemy will come. Ninda will come. And Pravad will come. So why will? Srimati Radhika, she is saying this verse also. And then Manjari is told, hey Radhe, here is no Krishna. So who is pulling my shirt? That time, actually your sari is stuck in the throne. Then Srimati Radhika, she sighed. This lila is going on. This. Many lila katha is there. This is called Nishanta lila. Bolo Nishante. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur saying, Ei lila smaro ar gau Krishna nam achirate Krishna prem pabe premo dham. Bhakti Vinod Thakur give blessing. When you are in the morning, wake up and chant holy names and remember this lila, then you will attain the abode of Lord. They saying, Ei lila smaro ar gau Krishna nam.
Where can we find this?
Are Bhajan Rasa.
First
Bhajan Rasa Grantha, first chapter is there.
end of the chapter.
End of the chapter, every chapter also there. Govinda Lilamrit, Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit, slokas and Bhakti Vinod Thakur had this also, Bengali song also this. Bolo Vrindavan.
Bihari Lal ki jai, Shri Gurudev ki jai. Hare Bol.